Google Maps saved location is the endless future you are not using. Have you come across an interesting place and do not want to forget where it is? Google Maps allow you to save location to various lists. You can then easily retrieve as well as find a direction to these places without needing to search for them again. How saving place on Google Maps help you? Let's say you are at a really good restaurant and you do not like to come back again. The problem is it's easy to forget the names of place and their location. It can be very frustrating when you are trying to remember a place and you just cannot seem to recall it. This is where Google Maps saved location features comes in handy. Luckily, when you save a place on Google Maps, the service save the place name, location, and other information. Later, when you come back to your saved location list, you can find all your saved places and other information about them. This means you can find and return to your favorite places even year later without having to recall their name or location. But that's not all it can do. Create custom saved lists and add notes to them. Google Maps allow you to create custom saved lists so you can categories and places to your linking. For example, you can have all your favorite restaurant in one category while all your favorite entertainment go into another. This organization feature helps ensure you quickly find the places you want to visit. Another option maps offer is the ability to add notes to your saved places. This allows you to add your own about a place while saving it. For example, if a restaurant offer a left between 1 2 p.m. and 3 p.m., you can add that information as a note while adding the restaurant to the list. The next time you check your saved location list, you will find this personal note. Google Map use voice search to find places. Google Map supports voice search, meaning you can find places by just speaking into your phone as opts to try the name of places. This is especially useful when you are driving, and it's another reason to save location. You can label places in map and speak these label to find your favorite place. For example, I could add my favorite bakery as a label to a bakery the next time I want to find this place using voice search. Simply say find me direction to my favorite bakery instead of reciting the bakery's name. Google Maps will locate that place and show you the direction to it. To add a label to a place, launch the Google Map on your phone, find your favorite place, select it, and stop more in the same bar where you see direction from the open menu. Select add a label, type a label for the select place and tap the flag icon, and that's it. Once you save a place, you can quickly find all kind of direction to that place. For example, you can find driving direction, public transport option, walking direction,